Hi friends, the global corrugated packaging industry continues to expand strongly, driven by e-commerce growth, sustainability demands, and advanced automation. Watch the full video on the Journey Towards YouTube channel to discover 10 untold secrets of a successful corrugation factory. Subscribe for practical corrugation and packaging insights. Like if you value real factory floor knowledge. Share with packaging and corrugation professionals. Comment with your experience or questions. Stay connected. Thank you.